Hello everybody, today we're in my garage and we're going to be doing my very first video. My name is Daniel and I'll be the host of this channel. Right now we're in the garage like I said and we will be working on an Integra. So this is our vehicle that we'll be working on. Our buddy...
What do we got over here?
We got an LS right over here, this far one right here. This is an LS Integra K. We got a VTEC header. We got the original engine that came from the Integra.
It's not a K, that's a GSR motor, isn't it? Yeah.
This one's a GSR motor because
that was the stock one, yeah. That was the stock one, and that is LS motor from a Integra, right? And we're going to be using the VTEC head.
And this is the transmission that's...
We got the tranny over here. All right.
And what we're building here is the engine stand. And
yeah, we're putting the engine stand together. So... Cool.
Hopefully everything turns out the way it's supposed to be, and hopefully we just get right into it. So
maybe, hopefully, we'll make some good content and we'll get this thing on the road. That didn't work. These are but that much short, so they don't go all the way through. So we'll need to run to the store and try to see if we can pick some up. We'll be back. Well, now we're gonna attempt to put this engine, this block, on the stand. Before I do that, I wanted to couple washers in here to take up this room because I think it would be too long, and 4 would probably be one too many. Just we'll do 2 top ones. How did this get all jacked up like that?
I think you have to like move this way.
And
what in the world? How did?
Now we got a puzzle thing on.
Oh wait, there you go.
Okay.
You move it like that.
Okay,
there you go. Haha! I solved the puzzle. Alright.
Looks good.
That actually looks pretty good. We have to make a couple of adjustments for the supports over here because they wouldn't fit over here. And so we drilled a hole through this side and get the... It had to be lower just because these things were not long enough.
Yeah, we had to drill a hole, another one like this, which we could reach because when they're standing up, someone messed up. Let's just put it that way.
Yeah. But we got an engine stand and it folds up, so that's pretty cool. We got some more room if we wanted to put it away.
Yep.
So we don't have a stand for it specifically to hold up the engine to put it on there.
Okay.
So we're going to be using that bucket right there with the woods.
Yeah, we don't have an engine hoist, so we'll use a homemade device.
Called a bucket on wood. Or wood on bucket. Yeah, there you go.
I begin to
It's so
So we got this one screwed in, this one. We got basically the two short ones. We got this side over here. So it's pretty much holding on right now. We just need to see if we can find anything for these. Probably not going to use them, but I'd rather use those. Give more support to this block. So, hey, but right now it's pretty much holding it on there. So, all right, we're ready to take off this wood. Hopefully, nothing snaps. Is it holding on pretty well?
Sitting on it.
I don't like this very much.
Pretty solid.
Think so?
Yep.
Now we just need a pretty good that does not fall off. Hey, but it's holding. I'm really happy. Yeah, there's everything about this now. Now it looks like we have to, sooner or later, take it all apart, see what's inside.
The next thing, yeah, we gotta drop the oil pan, which is right here.
Ooh, something fell out. That's not nice.
Oh, it's
A hose.
yeah.
Oh, oil's coming out. Probably.
So we know nothing about this thing. We're gonna be doing
A blind test.
all the learning as we go. It'll
Which
be
is gonna
a
be fun.
step at a time, yeah. I know nothing about this engine. All I know is supposed to be
A Honda engine. That's all we know.
Acura Integra. This block is LS block.
And apparently it's got forging pistons on it or something. Racing pistons on it or something like that.
No, it's got sleeves on the block.
Yeah, but it's
But what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix and match with that with the LS and GSR head and LS block, which was what was this 1.8 liter or something at one point?
I think so.
Okay. Well, this will be an interesting journey, to say the least.
Yeah.
Just.
Yeah. Oh.
My hand can't grab the whole thing.
Probably need that.
Here's this.
There we go. And
So
there's
it
the
moves pretty easy, and the scoring on the walls doesn't look so bad. I mean, it looks like. The light right there. You see that scarring?
Yeah, I do.
See, it's not so bad there. It's just coming out here. So I'll have to look at the rings.
Yeah, but this one right there, like,
That
very-
looks pretty bad, yeah.
yeah, I don't like that. Can you?
Yeah, I can feel that.
You can feel it. Ooh, that's not.
Yeah, it's very light, but this one is.
Like, that one's okay-ish. It's gonna have that, but that, like, can you like feel like the indent?
No, it's just the scratches.
Oh, and that's what oil go through, right?
Yeah, that's where it will have blow by.
And that blow blades are not fun.
This whole thing, yeah, I'll have to take this out. Both of these two. These two
It
are
is?
fine.
Yeah, they look pretty nice. Not too bad, but this one is probably the worst one there.
Yeah, that one looks pretty bad.
Isn't that why it's been smoking up?
He didn't have this engine running. He had that one running.
Oh, he had that one running.
That was the one that was in the car.
Okay, then where did this one come from? He just.
His buddy gave it to him, or he bought it from him.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Alrighty. So, as you see, this thing is completely fixed, or somewhat. We're still
It's
trying
not
to dig.
fixed.
Still
It's
digging it
on
in.
the stand, yeah.
Yeah, we got the
it on
stand, which is good.
Yep.
And we'll tear this more in tomorrow.
So high five.
Yeah, there you go. And we'll finish up this episode of building my Acura Integra. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like if you guys like this video. If you guys are hopefully new to this channel, if you guys know me, but okay. Hit the subscribe button to see more of this, and soon you'll see that GTO. So,
It's buried under.
yeah, it's buried, but you'll see it soon. All right, thank you guys for watching, and see you later. Bye-bye.